Thanks for tuning in again, everyone. So in this video I'm going to talk a little bit about themes and then show you how to make a child theme of any theme really, and we'll go ahead and get started with that. In the last video I installed a theme called Simple Catch. It was a free theme that came from my web host. In the add new button there was a whole lot of theme options that were available. And I'll just pop these open to show you some of those. Everything from logo, enable and disable, stuff about the slider and header and footer information, which was really great. So a lot of great options came with this theme, and I did notice that they also had this up here upgrade option, which pops open. This gives you all of these great features right here, including the one that stood out for me was responsive design. One thing that I did notice when I looked here at the actual demo site is it's not responsive if you close it up, and that's one of the things you want in a website now. It's got to be responsive. Google is pretty much saying that they want everybody to be compatible with mobile devices of all sizes, and the way to do that is to have a responsive website. So a sample of that is here. If you close this website up, the text changes, some of the sizing changes on the icons, and then it goes all the way down to where this would be a mobile device, and it has a mobile menu as well. So that's where we're going, is to have a design like that. Now if you wanted, you could just spend the $44, $45 and buy the theme. It's a great theme. It comes with that nice slider and everything, goes mobile, looks good on a phone. But you may want to say, WordPress has some great base themes, and you can add anything you'd really like to any of those themes. It may not be as easy. If you're a little bit techie, this may be the way to go for you. Or if even with some of these themes that you'll download, they'll say if you want to make changes to the theme that you need to create a child theme. So this is something pretty valuable that you'll definitely want to learn. So personally, I want to use 2013 as my base theme. It's just one that I'm used to working with, so I'll select my themes and go ahead and activate that. So now if we go out to our website, we'll see that it is changed from this is my original demo site to my 2013 theme. And that's that. So 2013 is enabled, but I want to make a child theme, and there's a new way that WordPress has here to make a child theme, so we'll go over a little bit of that now. Why use a child theme? You should definitely take a look at this page, and I'll go ahead and pop the link in underneath the video, but it gives you specific ways and specific directions on how to do that. So first thing it says is create the child theme directory. Let's go ahead and do that. So we're in our themes folder here, public_HTML, and then WP content, themes. 2013 is the theme that we're currently using. There's the Simple Catch theme that I downloaded for free. But what we're going to do is I'm just going to create a new folder, and I'm going to name it 2013 child. So that means this is going to be underneath 2013. So when you create a child theme, the next thing it's going to tell you to do is create a style.css, and that's where you're going to actually create certain elements, move things around the page, do things with forms, adjust padding, all of that. So we'll go ahead and just create a new style.css. And again, with transmit, I'm using transmit as my FTP. If you need to learn how to FTP or need to know more about it, there's a video that I've shot on that. You can go ahead and look at that really quick. So now that I've created my 2013 child, I'm not sure where I put that style.css. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we'll open that up with Sublime Text. And WordPress says you need to put this in the top of your style.css. So I'll copy that and paste it in there. And now I'm going to do what's called a search and replace. For everywhere where I see example, I want to put so examples down here in the search. If I click over here on find all, we move websites.com, so that changes my URL. And then I can also search again, or do a find replace, search replace for 15. Find all, and we want to change them to 13. Alright, so that spots us up with 2013. We move websites, and we will call this websites.com. Alright, so so now we've got our style.css saved in our child theme, and reload the site just to see what it looks like, and it looks kind of messed up, but we're gonna fix that right now because we're not all the way finished with creating that child theme. We need to make one more file, and that file is, according to WordPress here, that file is going to be the functions.php file. So you go over to your FTP, we're going to create a new file, and we're just going to name that functions.php. And I'm going to grab that file and move it right into my 2013 child. And we'll go ahead and open that up. And now WordPress gives you specific information to put in the head of the functions.php. So you're going to have to open up your functions with the PHP call. Just sets up the page to accept PHP, and then paste in the information from WordPress there. And we're going to have to replace this parent style with 2013 because that's the parent theme that we're using. And we'll go ahead and save that back to the server. There's my little icon there, and we can close that out. Now our child theme is already enabled right here, so I should be able to refresh this and it should show up perfect. Looks just like a regular 2013 install. And let's go ahead and see if I activate this one. Back to my page, refresh it, looks the same. Go back to my child theme and refresh it, and it works the same. So there you go. You've just created a child theme for WordPress 2013. 2013 is responsive, so you see I close it up, you get that menu. The mobile menu and you open it up and you get a regular menu. Very simple, very easy to work with. So we went from that to that. Now, one other thing I wanted to point out is with our free theme that we had, you can see the photo of it right up here. We got horrible reviews as far as GTmetrix is concerned. GTmetrix ranks websites. So I scanned it before with the old theme and we got a D and a C. So that's not too good, but I'm sure that those grades will change once you purchase this theme here and you get all of these additional updates. That's going to complete the code in their theme and make it work better, but when they give it to you for free, it's missing so much stuff that I'm sure it'll give you a bad grade. So you're going to want to do something about that, especially if you use a free theme and then start to add more plugins that'll slow down your site even more and make it work even worse. One of the websites that I've done, I scanned just with a child 2013, gets B's, and I have done nothing to change it. And let's go ahead and test our website now that we got our new theme on. So we'll go to just the GTmetrix, and I'm just going to highlight and copy our domain name since I've got it right there. Paste in our We Move Websites domain name, and this is going to scan our website now with our new theme, the child theme even, and then we'll see how we stack up. So it's all right, not that great, but it's better, a little better. Some of this will be taken care of when we code, and then other things I can take care of in the 2013 theme. A lot of the code that you'll get from in the parent theme will be able to be minified and made smaller, so it reads a whole lot faster, and that'll save a lot on these metrics here. But you can go through these on gtmetrix.com, and when you click on them, it'll open up and show you exactly what you need to do to fix your website. And then when you hover and click over here, it'll give you exactly more specific information about what that does. So definitely use this GTmetrix as a tool to guide you as you build your website. Other than that, I'll go ahead and end this video here. So that's how you get started with the child theme. From here, we're going to clear out all the other information from 2013 and give us a blank slate to go ahead and begin to create more of a modern website.